you ever been through a conversation where you knew the other person is wrong and still you couldn't speak up? Maybe because you were just avoiding some sort of chaos, or you just didn't want to be that bad guy in the room. We all have gone through the same situation. And guess what? You don't have to be that yes person in the house every time in order to make yourself likable. You can actually master the art of standing on your ground while keeping the other person smiling. And in our today's video, we are going to learn 10 sophisticated ways in order to disagree without sounding negative. So, let's get started. So, the first phrase we need to carry in our back pockets in order to disagree sophisticatedly is I see it differently from where I'm standing. I see it differently from where I'm standing. Say, for example, you have a sibling and he or she wants to have pizza for breakfast every morning. That's not healthy, right? So instead of saying no directly, we can just say, I understand you want to have pizza for breakfast every single day, but I see it differently from where I'm standing as it will disrupt our healthy habits. I understand you want to have pizza for breakfast every single day, but I see it differently from where I'm standing as it will disrupt our healthy habits. It's very essential to stay positively intact throughout our conversation, and we need to understand that straight disagreements often hurts human feelings. So, phrase number 2 in order to say no without sounding negative is that's an interesting point, though I carry a slightly different perspective. Now, let's understand this phrase using an example. So, you are at your office and your manager disagrees with your PPTs or he disagrees with your marketing strategies. But you, on the other hand, are able to detect each and every drawbacks the marketing strategy carries, which is planned by your manager. So, instead of shoving off that big no, you can just say, that's an interesting point, though I have a slightly different take on the marketing strategies of our company. The third phrase of saying no without sounding negative is have you considered the alternatives? Let's understand using an example. Have you considered what might happen if we tried organic colors for Holi instead of artificial ones? And with this, we come to the end of our today's video, but I'm here to share with you an interesting news. I am sharing a series different authentic ways to say no without sounding negative. So hit the subscribe button and stay tuned.